I think the formula to make money and to basically guarantee your ability to make money in perpetuity is in 3 simple steps. 1 is whatever niche or skill or avenue in business that you want to pursue, it needs to be in high demand. 2, you need to be irreplaceable. In an era where artificial intelligence is sweeping the world and where a lot of white-collar jobs will be eradicated in the next couple of decades, finally, you need to be the best at what you do. These are the 3 ingredients for success. So if you're in high demand, if you're the best at what you do, and if you're irreplaceable, you can always find a way to make money.
Picture this, $1,000 in your pocket this month, earned online, no experience needed. This is your ticket to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and step into financial freedom, a reality I've mastered and now share with you. Luke Belmar demands action over excuses. Let's seize this opportunity and build your first income stream today. Why target $1,000? It's more than money. It's proof you can earn beyond a 9-to-5, a psychological win that boosts confidence. This seed capital lets you invest in more assets or deepen your financial education. It's direct cash flow, not a delayed paycheck. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes this as the foundation of your asset column, the first leap toward lasting wealth. Achieving this milestone shifts your mindset from employee to entrepreneur. Ready to earn your first $1,000 online? Hit that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's kickstart your journey.
Solve a problem.
Rich people's problem.
Any problem that people have that they're willing to pay to solve. And you can just watch the people around you and say, would you buy this from me if I could solve this problem for you? And then make sure that when you're testing the idea out, it's not your family, because everybody wants to help you out in your startup. Make it an arm's length person and prove to yourself that you can acquire that customer. There's no barriers to entry anymore because of social media. Correct. You can come up with a great idea, buy a URL and start promoting a product or service, and then go through all the iterations of what it takes to make it work. It's worth trying though. Entrepreneurship's a wonderful journey, even though it comes with a lot of bumps in the road.
Start with Freelancing. Offer writing, graphic design, social media management, or virtual assistant work on Upwork, Fiverr, or directly to clients. This turns your skills into cash, teaching you market demand and how to price your value. Robert Kiyosaki views this as a launchpad to automate into a scalable business, shifting from active work to passive income. Luke Belmar insists you leverage what you already know. Hunt for clients with aggressive outreach and resourcefulness. Identify 2 to 3 skills. Build a profile and send proposals daily to hit $500 to $700 quickly, scaling to $1,000. Create and sell simple digital products, Canva templates, resume templates, budget trackers, or guides like 10 tips to save money on Etsy, Gumroad, or a basic site. This builds an intellectual asset for passive income. Robert Kiyosaki highlights this as a way to turn knowledge into repeatable revenue. Luke Belmar pushes for clear audience targeting and relentless marketing. Use free tools to craft a product in a day, price it at $5 to $20, and aim for 50 to 200 sales to reach $1,000.
You never lack money, which is a weird thing to think about. You never actually lack money because all you really lack is the knowledge of how to get more money from other people. And if you look at it right now, where are we sitting today? We are sitting at record high levels of what's called sideline institutional capital. We have more money sitting on the sidelines, sitting in cash, non-invested, than we almost ever have. We've got record levels of cash. Everything that is considered either money market accounts or cash equivalents. So that would be like short-term debt, that might be actual cash accounts. And what's fascinating about that is that means that they actually suffer not from not enough money, but not enough deals. So if you're able to reframe your mind that way, then what are people actually looking for from you? They don't want your last $10,000 or $100,000. And I don't think you should give it to them. Like, protect the fact that you shouldn't go into bankruptcy and that you don't have to.
Teach a skill, languages, software like Excel, or a hobby via Zoom. This leverages your expertise for high margin income. Robert Kiyosaki sees this as valuing your time while structuring your earnings. Luke Belmar demands confidence to package your knowledge and charge boldly. Pick a niche, Offer free 15-minute sessions to attract students, then charge $20 to $50 per hour for 20 to 50 hours to hit $1,000. Excited to earn online? Subscribe now and turn on notifications with Nova Society Finance for more strategies. Success demands persistence. Don't shy away from rejection or early stumbles. My philosophy: every mistake is a lesson in financial education. Luke Belmar teaches that consistent action trumps perfection. Push through discomfort. David Goggins adds that mental toughness turns obstacles into opportunities. Track your progress daily to stay motivated. New to this? Start with what you know. Everyone has a skill or interest to sell. Fear of failure is normal, but Luke Belmar says it's conquered by action, not avoidance. Use free resources like YouTube tutorials to learn basics. Build a small network. Ask friends or online groups for feedback. This builds confidence and opens doors to your first clients or sales.
Every day is day one. Every day you're deciding what you're going to do, and you are not trapped by what you were or who you were, or you need self-consistency. Self-consistency even can be a trap. And so day one thinking is we start fresh every day and we get to make new decisions every day. That idea, unless you know a better way, is so important, because you never want to get trapped by dogma. You never want to get trapped by history. It doesn't mean you discard history or ignore it. There's so much value in what has worked in the past, but you can't be blindly following what you've done. And that's the heart of day one. You're always starting fresh.
Earned your $1,000? Manage it wisely. Option 1, reinvest in your asset. Spend $500 to $1,000 on better tools, a course, or a vending machine stake. Option 2, build your financial buffer. Save $500 to $1,000 for emergencies to secure your base. Option 3, pay off high-interest debt. Use $500 to $1,000 to cut interest costs, boosting passive savings. Track every dollar to maximize impact. Hit $1,000? Now scale, double your freelancing hours, expand digital product lines, or add tutoring sessions. Jeff Bezos grew Amazon by reinvesting profits. Apply this to reach $2,000 to $5,000. Automate where possible, hire help, or use software. Luke Belmar stresses efficiency. Turn your initial success into a system. This sets the stage for bigger online empires. Ready to hit your $1,000 goal? Drop your plan in the comments and grab our Money Magnet Premium Eco Hoodie to celebrate your progress. This guide empowers you. Earn $1,000 with freelancing, digital products, or tutoring. Embrace persistence, overcome barriers, budget smartly, and scale to new heights. Hal Elrod says, mornings spark success. Act now. Start with your skills today. Peter Thiel says, strategy wins. Build your freedom. Luke Belmar urges you to dominate online. Seize this chance and transform your life.
The thing they don't tell you is the long way is the shortcut, because the shortcut never gets you there. And so people quit when things get hard because the thought of things being hard forever feels unbearable. But that's a lie, because nothing's hard forever. You either quit, it gets easier, or you get harder. But no matter what, the hard always ends. And the only way you lose is if you quit before seeing it through. And so what I try to tell myself when I'm in those kind of harder times is, this is for now, not forever.
Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you. Want to dive deeper into online income, budgeting, and wealth building? Click on one of the following videos to continue your journey.